In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip weapons in Murder Mystery 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the platform where you are playing Murder Mystery 2, you will be able to equip weapons, and all that you have to do to actually get them is to look over here at your inventory and then press the respective button. You can either click them or just press the button displayed. So for example, if I press 1, I'll be able to equip this knife. And you can use it by using left click. As you can see, I was defeated there, but regardless, all that you have to do to actually equip the item is to press the button displayed or click on it. So if you are on mobile, you will be able to tap the icon displayed over here at the bottom left, or alternatively, if you are on PC, you can press 1 on your keyboard or just click it like I mentioned. Just make sure that you select it from this hotbar here. Now I'm gonna have to wait for another round to begin, but regardless, this is going to be true for every single equipment that you have. So you have the knife and the gun usually. And if you have any effects, skins, or anything else that you would like to equip, you just have to go over to your inventory. But to actually grab the weapon that you want to use during gameplay, like I said, this is all you have to do. So once I load into the map once more, I'll be able to show you this process again. But it is extremely straightforward, super simple, and it's going to work for every single equipment available in the game. So as soon as the game starts, I should get a knife here and I'll be able to demonstrate the exact same thing. You should be able to see the effects, the exact item that you are using, and so on. So as you can see, it already appeared over here on my hotbar or my navigation bar at the bottom of the screen, and all I have to do is either press 1 and you will be able to see I hold up the knife and I can use it with left click or right click, or alternatively, if you are on mobile, you will have to tap the icon at the bottom. So just drag your mouse here and click on it, or tap it with your finger if you are on a touch screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip weapons in Murder Mystery 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.